Hello everybody, my name is Amok. Welcome to my video on how to become a power user of Khan Academy to improve your math skills. I chose Khan Academy as the website. It is free, like their mission, which is to deliver world-class free education to anyone, anywhere, and at any time across the planet. My focus in this project is how can make students like maths. It has been stated that 4 out of 10 students hate maths in middle school and don't want to have anything to do with in high school. Khan Academy is a personalized learning resource for all ages, offering practice exercises, instructional videos, and a personalized learning dashboard that empower learners to study at their own pace in and outside of their classroom. Khan Academy tackles math, science, computer programming, history, art history, economics, and more, while it is less interactive than face to face teacher to student interaction. It does teach maths interactively and creates a personalized learning dashboard for students. Khan Academy has over 10,000 short videos for different types of math modules. Over 100 million students across the world already use this platform every year and solving over 6 billion practice problems online. I once did a survey and real
Let's explore a few more methods for solving systems of equations. Let's say I have the equation 3x plus.
that not many students know how to navigate Khan Academy fast and quickly to get the relevant ideas, videos and information. The intent of my project is to create a YouTube video of 3 to 4 minutes to help them become a power user of Khan Academy and leverage all the new features available on this website. We can log in Khan Academy using Google profile as a learner.
What
When we log in, we can search maths by topic, by grade, or subject. If we double click on maths by subject, we get an array of topics on which we can move from an apprentice level of mastery to mastered status based on the practice tests and assignments we do. For example, a complex subject like probability, it will show you how to master it by going through different lessons, practice assignments to help a student go from basic level to mastered level by watching videos and doing practice tests and assignments. Hope this video has helped you navigate Khan Academy better to help you complement your classroom lesson with online supplements to like maths better. Thank you for watching this video.